Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, welcome back to my channel. When we see circuit diagram, we see different values mentioned on some components. For example, 3R9, 1R2, 1K3, 3K2, like that. Sometimes we say 39R. We say 3R9, 3K3, 2N2, 22 pico, 0.1 micro. What are these values? If it is written 33K, we know it is 33 kilo ohm. And if we see the breakdown, so kilo, that means it is 1000. If you want to know the value of this component, that means it is 33 multiplied by 1000, so it is 33,000 ohms. I discussed in my last video number 600. In video number 620, what is the organization of different units, how we can consider the units: tera, giga, mega, kilo. What is base unit? That is 1 milli, micro. If you have not watched this video until now, I will suggest you must check this video. For example, this 39R, that means it is base unit. So it is 39R resistance. So base unit, that means its value is 1. 39 multiplied by 1, so that means it is 39 ohms. If we see 3R9, that means 3R. R will defined here as a dot, 3.9 ohms. 3K3, 3K3, so it will mention 3.3 kilo ohm. 3R3, 3.3 ohm. If it is 3M3, so that means 3.3 mega ohm. If it is 2N2, that means 2.2 nanofarad, 22 pico, 0.1 micro. Now you can convert these values into any required value. So these values are mentioned on diagrams. 3R9, it is very easy to mention. If it is mentioned on the board 3.9, maybe the 3 and 9 are visible and dot is misprint. If it is misprint, someone will replace the resistor, he will install 39 ohms. So it is best way to see the diagram, and we must understand what is mentioned on the diagram. Here it is given 1K, that's okay, 1K, 100K, that's nice, 10 micro, that's okay, 2K7, 2.7 kilo ohm, 2K7, 39E, it is 39, 2E2, 2.2 ohms. Now if we see here is a number 2E2, that means 2.2 ohms. 2R2 or 2E2, that is 2.2. 4R7, 4.7 ohms. 470R, 470 ohms. 4R7, 4.7 ohms. 2K2, 2.2 kilo ohms. Here it is mentioned 100K, that means it is clear value, but here 15R, it is 15 ohms. 1 nanofarad, that's nice, very clear value. 27K, 22 nanofarad, 10 nanofarad. 2K7, when it is needed to write any value in points at that time, it is mentioned in this way: 2K2, 2K3. If it is 3R2, that means 3.2 ohms. I hope so you enjoyed this video. If it is good, if it is useful, hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.